Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and I'm just finishing up my day at Universal Studios Florida, giving you some updates, sharing some important dates with you, and I tried some food today that I've never tried before. But before I get too far ahead of myself, let's go back to the start of my day and see how it all went down. I just got done doing a live stream on my other channel, Rix Q. We were at Disney's Hollywood Studios, so I'm here afternoon now. I am hungry. We might have to do a food review early on into this video. And seeing how I want to get this video up late this afternoon, it's gonna have to be a quick service meal. Before we head in the studios, here's a look at the construction for the Rip Ride Rocket replacement attraction. I'm no longer calling this a demolition site as it is demolished. No Rip Ride Rocket tower. Looks weird. Into studios for updates and a snack. The first update I have for you is regarding Universal Orlando's Mardi Gras celebration, which is held here at Studios. We have the official dates for that event. It's going to be starting on February 7th and go through April 4th. Before we go down Hollywood Boulevard, let's head this way to Music Plaza. For the first time on this channel, Music Plaza without any Rip Ride Rocket structure in the background. A big empty space right there. It's weird. No official word on what the replacement is going to be. I suspect that official word won't be for a while. I think the odds-on favorite is that it's going to be something related to Fast and Furious. Perhaps like that drift coaster they're putting in over there in California. But some long shots would include a Ghostbusters ride or a Back to the Future ride. But those, I think, are long shots. A quiet Tuesday afternoon. Minion Blast is a 5-minute wait. Minion Mayhem, just a 25-minute wait. Emerald City Eats, right here on the corner of Illumination Avenue and Hollywood Boulevard, has a snack I've never had before. All road leads to Oz Flatbread. $8.99, let's get it. This is house-made focaccia with yellow cheese sauce, cheddar sauce, roasted yellow peppers, pepperoni, and jalapenos. All done with my lunch, my little snack there. Wasn't awesome, wasn't horrible. True definition of mid. The best thing about it for me was the bread. Just a slight jalapeno flavor to it. So if you like jalapenos, you might be disappointed. If you're afraid of jalapenos, nothing to worry about with that sandwich. I don't think I would have it again. And that's not saying it's bad. It's just that I did not enjoy it enough to get it a second time. Though the bread was good, and they do have a sandwich there that uses the same bread. So, as we start down Hollywood Boulevard, we can see that the construction walls that were here in the last update video have been removed in favor of some temporary fencing, and you can see the patchwork there on the ground and the water lines. So, still can't do the parade yet. Further down Hollywood Boulevard, to our left is Schwab's Pharmacy, which has 2 new Wicked milkshakes. They have the Wizard Elixir Shake, which is a mint chocolate chip shake, and then they have the Yellow Road Shake, Dulce de Leche ice cream for that one. Both of those shakes are $12.99. I did try the mint chocolate chip one during a live stream. Last Sunday stroll, we tried it. It was pretty good. That was the first time I had ever had any type of mint chocolate chip ice cream. It was in shake form, but first time I've ever had it, and it was quite delicious. I think because there's some type of there's like condensed milk elixir in there, made it sort of a very sweet, very creamy, and it was a very subtle mint taste. Some new merchandise in the 5 and dime to show you. A new line of Monster apparel. Let's start with this hoodie here. $70. Says Frank right there. The pockets has Frankenstein's monster's face. It's black. Pull over the head hoodie. No graphic on the back. All the cool stuff's up front with this one. And then we have the shirt here, which is $75. You've got your classic monsters on it. It buttons up the front. There's no pocket on the front though, but it has those classic monster movie posters. Yeah, like posters and adverts for the old classic movies. Pretty cool looking dad shirt. There is a matching trucker hat for $30. It goes with that shirt quite nicely, doesn't it? And then we have a large backpack with the same graphic. These are $60 for the backpack. And we have another $70 hoodie. This one is the Wolfman. Has the front graphic here, not on the pocket like the other one we saw, but this one inside of the hood has a graphic. The Frankenstein one doesn't, but this one, can I get it? Can you grab it, Rick? There we go. See, the inside of the hood has additional graphics. Nothing on the back, but everything's up front or in the hood. Now, in the same styling of the Wolfman hoodie is this $37 Dracula t-shirt. And this apparently is Faith in Chaos editions. See, here's another Faith in Chaos t-shirt. This one is Gillman, Creature from the Black Lagoon, also $37. Now for $90, we have a long sleeve, collared, button up the front shirt. This is that graphic, but in black and white. We've already seen the Hamikuma merchandise, but there has been a change. It is now discountable. Pass holders can now get a discount on this Hamikuma merchandise. One more thing to show you before we leave. This Love Hurts Chucky t-shirt. $33 for it, and it is some kind of orange. Studio 70C has an advert on it, a Peacock advert. I do have a subscription to Peacock. The advert is, the little billboard there, Megan 2.0 is now streaming on Peacock. I've seen the movie. I actually went to the movie theater to see it, which I think was a mistake. The first one's way better. The second one is more like a Terminator style movie than a horror movie. In between the Transformers ride building there and Mel's Drive-In, again, that empty space where Rip Ride Rocket used to be. Still so weird. It's a 25-minute wait for ET Adventure right now. We got a cool meet and greet happening over here in DreamWorks Land. Don't see him every day. Well dressed though, well dressed. He's one of the bad guys. Or should I say he's from the Bad Guys movie? Before we head into Springfield, a change to the construction walls over here. The ones I showed you last week. Look what they did. Look what they did. Since it's a park, they just made it greenery. Foliage and greenery. That's pretty fun. Well, the actual walls, the wooden walls, have been upgraded. The fence over here still has just the scrim. They have a little mini dozer in there digging it all up. Welcome to Springfield. And you know what? They are making a second Simpsons movie now. Not sure of the release date, but it's gonna be made. Oh my word. Look at all the pigeons. Oh, be careful walking through here. Do not walk under the pigeons. A 40-minute wait for the Simpsons ride. I would like to mention that in the live stream I did earlier today, the Disney live stream on Rix Q, we did the Smuggler's Run 2 times. Single rider line was a walk-on. We did Rise of the Resistance, single rider line as a walk-on. The Simpsons right here doesn't have a single rider line. Looking at the HHN t-shirt here that has all of the haunted houses, a lot of people saying Gawkin is their favorite haunted house. I might have to go through it again. It was not my favorite. I think the one I really enjoyed the most as far as an original house, El Artista, and as far as IP houses, intellectual property houses, Jason Universe would be my favorite. But they're all good, but I hear a lot of people talking about Gawkin as their favorite. I was on social media the other day and I saw a picture of the new Diagon Alley set, the one they're going to use for the HBO series, the Harry Potter HBO series. But let's step inside to the original now. I think the new set is going to be tweaked ever so slightly. I mean, that's okay. You don't want to have a carbon copy, you know, in the TV series that you had in the movies. It'll look great. You're going to know it's Diagon Alley. They're setting up the stage here for Celestine Warbeck and the Banshees. We might as well watch a number, right? The one and only ride in Diagon Alley, Escape from Gringotts, is just a 35-minute wait. Still closed. Also still closed. Hey, what's up, man?
What up, D-Time?
You ever been to Florida?
Yeah, but the closest I've been to Florida is the Florida bus.
Yeah. I set you up for that. I'm trying to get you ahead on your...
Knock it down, man.
I'm trying to get you ahead on your comedy career.
Yeah, man, I'm working on my stand-up. But the only thing we can stand up on is me do headstands.
Him and I both trying to do jokes. I don't think the one I used about him trying to get ahead in his comedy career stuck the landing. I think that missed. Well, look who's back at work. It's Murph. He missed a few days, a week or two, with a detached retina. So let's go tease him.
What's up?
Murph.
I can't see you, brother.
I know.
I'm trying to see you. Where you at?
Murph with the boxing injury.
Boxing.
Who you fighting?
It was that shark dive we did. That's probably what happened.
Who's detaching your retina, my friend? I thought maybe Josh socked you one.
Yeah, it's there. It's still there, all the function, but it's not really functioning, but it's okay.
Welcome back, Murph.
Heck yeah, man. I didn't notice you in the blue shirt.
Yeah, I know.
Twice.
Yeah,
well, my good eye.
Exactly. FYI, they still have the shark glasses here.
We're gonna have them till next year. But yeah, this
plenty in stock. So basically, maybe now's the best time to slip an ID by Murph. Maybe he won't notice the date on it so much. That was just a joke. I don't want you people under 21 trying to trick old Murph there with his bad eye. Hopefully he gets better soon though. Inside of Rosie's Irish shop, we can see that it's 147 days until St. Patrick's Day, but you will not be able to celebrate it at Finnegan's Bar and Grill. As I've already told you, it's going to be closed most of next year, but I have some additional information for you regarding Finnegan's. So I heard that outdoor bar area that's right outside of Transformers and near Mel's, that little bar area is going to be a satellite bar for Finnegan's. Rumored to be, I should say. That is not set in stone yet, but it does make a lot of sense. Right now, the Mummy is a 25-minute wait. The single rider line is open, and if you so desire, for a limited time only, you can purchase an individual express pass for the Mummy. Just have to scan that QR code and purchase your one-time use Mummy Express. I think they're just testing that right now. It's really not a permanent feature just yet. Just like Music Plaza looking weird. Without the musical loop here of Rip Ride Rocket, the skyline of New York City looks a little weird. And that's going to do it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Chihuahua. Until next time, watch this next.